Aye, what's up hina Mayengani the commissar so long as subscribe and kombela subscriber so vakuhlaya mntswa mi tivutisa ku ni le kwihi the reason why I wasn't posting any more videos according to timhaka ta ku I was suspended from being a Google partner, so the video ta mina ti nga ri monetized. Now that I'm back monetized, we and I'm back for good. Like I push a content, expect more interviews na swin'wanyana from this video. Titele timhaka leti ni lavaka ku ti khumba because khale ni nga ri kona. But anyways, in the long timhaka leti nga ta koka. Don't forget ku mundzuku this 9th of February ku huma album ya Mxadzi. Mxadzi u humesa album number 12 leyi a nga yi tirha na Salani the producer, u yi tirhe na Vadawu, u yi tirhe na King Selzo, i dile na Madosi. Se you must expect that album as soon as ku ba 12 a ku tleliwi namuntlha ku rindzeliwa album ya Mxadzi. Nisho Mr. President wa music wa Xitsonga lavatsongo va vulavuleni a ku tleriwa namuntlha hi yimela album ya Mxadzi. Loko va lava ku tlela ta ku vona plan. Then my second thing na ku vulavula hi Easter na ku predicta Easter, and na ku predict hi ndlela leyi for those who have been following me for nkarhi wo leha can tell and can remember that I've always said that go music wa Xitsonga wu le ku moveni. Ndzhumba a ya ha ri na power per se. Music sweswiwani wu dominate-wa hi electro. Vo tala mi ni rhuketelini ni vona swiphejaphejana swin'wana swa ka Facebook a ve swa ka Gaza eka Gaza what swi ni rhuketela swi ku towards December swi ku lo Sara i ri ku rhula electro blah 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 mara vanhu va email post na Beni na Joe. Then I was like, look, send time yes. I went back to last of last year. Last of last year, which song was the biggest song? I could have Xigaza. Xigaza check out the stats. It just reached 1 million. And the reason why Xigaza should take reach 1 million because it was uploaded by multiple accounts. Then Anzaka Shesho. Nina check out the biggest Ndzhumba song or the biggest Ndzhumba songs of last year. They are good 2022, and I compare them to Xigaza and kumakutu moyan tona at fig like a half a million. Matimbalama electro ingana mo. I went also through last year. Nagona check out last year. The biggest song for me, then I rotate of is Sikiza. Na which one is Torsamagais, and then went to check. Both of them are over 500,000. I think I go 700 and something. Kuna tisimu tavo total leti tingata ta electro. When I compare them with the biggest songs ta Ndzhumba ta last year, and then I realized ku halila ndzhaku swa tsakisa. So it proves my point right. Music wa Xitsonga is now moving to a different direction. Which direction is it moving to? It's moving to a direction of electro. People are now interested in the electro sound. Those who have been following me since 2016, 2017, I've been preaching the same message. That soon, Music wa Xitsonga will be dependent on creativity. And this creativity will be electro. Look at the creativity of J. John. Look at creativity of Mxadzi. Look at creativity. Shama Combo. Look at the creativity of Gonde Boy. Look at the creativity which comes with Zemfrey. So electro is also gonna roll this Easter. Why am I saying this? Artists electro are releasing almost each and everything. Just look at how NC Chingachum session, because NC is one of the most smartest artists that I've ever encountered. NC blind along with this Moyo Bella way. So show one in Moyo Bella way, Bella electro. That's why I came with that song I did in the show. And it's so far, it's the biggest song that was released this year. Okay, and I TV Mxadzi mnduku va ta timhaki, but Mxadzi navo va kona mnduku va humesa hi ti 9 ta February ta 2024. So look at Hennessy. Hennessy already has a hit for Easter. There are people who I know who are working on projects. Saimfre is gonna be working on a project na Marhoya Chauke. Marhoya Chauke will be working na Salan the producer. And na Saimfre, I don't know kuna woman. So it's now moving from that side to this side because it sees there's a business side this side. So it's one of the projects that we must expect. Another project which we must expect be project, yeah, obviously a Hlao. Hlao Sikiza, it's obvious that and Poison is gonna feature Benny, Joe, Prince, Kazi, is Mabasa, probably Navajejo. I'm just then kubana psychology. Psychology has made a terrible mistake of mistaking his relevance with Mr. Post relevance, because psychology was riding on Mr. Post relevance. Meaning it's album ya psychology, the last two projects, aningisela of the beef leading at the computer we post. And aningisela kanishto this project to what it post. So now that psychology anga na post, I don't expect anything from him because I've never seen him as a creative. So that's how I view psychology. It's my analysis that this relevance was based on Post, because Post was promoting psychology. He used to go live, so studio psychology. They do a lot of projects there, but none of them. I end that project in the tender. Lembe investor mali because they don't have proper marketing. They don't have proper ways to go to the ground. So psychology for sure, if anyone was expecting him to be part of the market, roll him out. It's not relevant at all to today's market. Then there's Percy Mfana. Percy Mfana is gonna come back because people are expecting, because Chavan gave us a proper project last year. You get the Chavan. Say if I will bali that email futhi nasis. If I prove Chavan engokotlela, I got the return of Percy Mfana last year. Then there's this other project. I'm suspecting Post might push an album, maybe DJ Gift or Nomonda Roger, one of the two. But a Gift has failed so many times. Nomonda Roger has the right relevance to be working with Post hand to hand for an album for this Easter, because Mr. Post is very strategic. I should seek him over Post. Post. Easter fashion album to remain relevant, because sevatele nale abatamhlengela bangibabitsa if he wants to leave spaces. Then xin'wanyana nga xi notice i ku ka project ya Hlao, who's gonna dominate, who's gonna be determined by the election state. President Mayengani must give us music. He must give us music. He must give us music or campaign. He must give us music waku famba patwini when we do campaigns. So it's something that we must consider. Given that the election date is closer to Good Friday, President might dominate album ya Hlao, because he needs that relevance when it goes to the ground. There must be that excitement of politics added on na excitement ya kuba president, because he just delivered a proper project. Yeah, what's over guy na manyanga to komisa na ta makatota devane kunti bala wo go go nkari, and then I will go the video talk clear. But I believe I'm gonna give you another video Saturday. It's gonna be an interview. What's on guy and manyanga to komisa. Anyone who needs promotion, kumaka 064 968 9940. Anyone who needs prof services, letting us a machine. Ulava photographer, ulava yino, we have now got all the resources. We have now got all the services, the service providers to provide you with that. You can also contact me for that. Take 064 968 9940. Aye, sharp.